Military canteen cup, camping wood burning stove set, outdoor canteen cup, foldable outdoor stove, camping hiking backpacking. The 4-piece cookware set includes a 1000 ml canteen, a 600 ml cup, a wood stove and a folding fork. Made of aluminum, lightweight and durable. The wood stove has ventilation openings and a wide opening for efficient combustion. Water cup with collapsible handle for easy storage. The stainless steel fork is collapsible and comes with a storage bag. Comes with a green cover bag. Perfect for camping, hiking, survival and outdoor adventures. Specifications. Material, aluminum plus stainless steel. Canteen dimension, 175 x 130/87 mm, 6.9 x 5.13.4 inches cup. Dimension, 134 x 187 mm, 5.3 x 3.93.4 inches. Stove dimension, 128.5 x 85 100 mm, 5.0 x 3.33.9 inches. Spork, unfolded, 150 mm, 5.9 inches, folded, 86 mm, 3.4 inches. Total weight, approximately 470 grams, 1.0 pounds.